all our important papers, including insurance papers, were destroyed. So we relied on our insurance company to provide us with all of our coverage paperwork. Once we found out that we had been intentionally misinformed as to what our coverage was, it's time to go get an attorney.
Everybody expects their insurance company to do what's right, and it becomes kind of surprising to them when the insurance company sends them a letter and it's false or there's misstatements in it. And it takes an aggressive lawyer like Ricardo to fight that fight.
There's a reason why Robert is as successful as he is, not only in trying cases but in settling cases. Most insurance companies realize that Robert, unlike a lot of other lawyers, is going to take them to trial if they're not fair with the client.
The things Robert brought out were to get the jury to understand our personal experiences of going through the fire and the problems we had with dealing with the insurance company in an effort to resolve our claim. And Ricardo was on the insurance company about what they should have done and didn't, and what they did do that they shouldn't have done.
A case like this is important not only for the Van Z's, but it's important for consumers that are out there, because the insurance industry has to know that they have to comply with the guidelines, they have to comply with the contract, and they have to provide the protection that they offer in the insurance policy.
We got our day in court, and we got our just rewards for what we paid for in insurance, and they got chastised.
First of all, I'm very, very proud. I couldn't be prouder. I mean, Ricardo, I've told people that if I were a client coming to our firm, I said, who do I want to be the guy that's going to be, there representing me? I think I'd probably have to objectively say it would be Ricardo.
Robert has a way of kind of putting his clients at ease and making them feel special, making them feel like he's happy and proud to represent them, and that they're going to go in there together and get justice. And it's great to watch.
Ricardo has the ability to enjoy work plus passion. He's got a phenomenal guitar collection, enjoys music, but his commitment to the law practice is beyond reproach, and his dedication and his diligence in being prepared in trial, the sky's the limit for Ricardo.
One of the things people may not know about Robert is he's studying very, very hard to be a musician, to play the guitar. He's taking guitar lessons from a master over in Escondido, and if any of you have the opportunity to put a guitar in his hand and ask him to sing a song for you, I'm sure he would enjoy that opportunity to show you what he's learning about his music.
The thing I respect the most about Ricardo is that he's still Ricardo. He's humble about it. He doesn't need to have focus groups for his cases because he talks about his cases incessantly. So when we're out or whatever, I mean, everybody he talks to and meets, he's telling about the case. And so every one of us has a focus group on his cases.
Ricardo is a very humble man that works hard, and an award like this means an awful lot to him.
To have the reputation as being a lawyer that's willing to fight for your client if it's necessary, to go to trial if it's necessary, no matter how long it takes or how expensive it is something all of us, and particularly young lawyers, could learn from Robert.